Hello friends, it's Miss Bethann coming to you from my living room, and I'm going to challenge you to a domino challenge. This is just my first one and it's just more of a practice, but I want to see if it's going to work with my domino spiral. Ready? Hey, it works! So now I'm going to try to build with these and all of these and all of these. And I would love to challenge you to make your own domino design. And you can do the spiral, or you can do it straight, or do anything that works best for you. And I will make another one, but I will kind of show you a little bit as I go along. Okay, so now I started another one, and I'm going to continue building it, but I can't build and tape, so I will do a little bit of time and keep showing you my progress. Alright, I've gotten a little bit farther, and I just have a few of the blacks left here, and then I'm going to start the colored ones. Well, as you can see, it fell, so I had to start all over again, so please be patient with me as I keep going. Well, I did some more, started again, and as you can see, we got a little bit farther, so let's see what we can do. Well, I got all the blacks in the one pile done. Now I have the other pile, and that's my little puppy there, resting. Okay, it's coming along. Still have a big pile left. We're getting to the end. Obviously, we had to start all over again, and I recruited a better domino builder than myself. We are at the last part, and then we are going to knock it down and see what we can come up with. Just a few more dominoes. Uh-oh. Just a few more. Some are a little bent, so a little crooked, so they're not staying up as well. Alright, we're getting to the very end. And then we're going to knock it over and see how it looks. Hopefully, it will turn out fabulously. Okay, maybe 4 more. And then we'll be ready to knock it over. Alright. 1 more on each side. Alright, hit your side.
What?
Hit it. Let's see if it works. Here's the challenge. Oh, it didn't work. Well, which is why it's a challenge. This should be it. This is the last attempt I'm going to make. Hopefully you can see it through the end. Ready? Oh, it worked! Yay! Alright, I'm signing off, and I wish you lots of luck and have lots of fun in the challenge.